The sugar levels are reaching their peak, right on schedule.
Purity levels are within the optimal range for the premium batch.
From the tree to the bottle, the quality is undeniable.
This is just the beginning of the season.
Perfect saturation. Not a drop is wasted tonight.
The vitamin C density is even higher than the previous harvest.
Every bottle is tracked. Full transparency from the soil to the shelf.
Another perfect batch ready for the world.
The soil needs a specific nutrient balance to recover for the next bloom.
Sterilization cycles are holding steady at 100% efficiency.
The correlation between the soil moisture and juice acidity is perfect this month.
Sample archived. Traceability is complete for batch 42.
Let's see what the aerial multispectral scan tells us today.
Adjusting sensitivity for the new batch. Only the flawless lemons move forward.
Chilled to the exact degree, this will arrive perfectly fresh. Another harvest successfully on its way. Systems are synced. The trees will have exactly what they need tonight.
UV intensity is nominal. Purity is guaranteed.
Speed is up to 800 units per minute. Alignment is perfect.
The color profile is a direct match. The integrity of the fruit is preserved. We've set a new standard this year. Next season, we go even further.
Let's see how the trees recovered overnight. The chlorophyll levels are exactly where we predicted.
These just came from the south-facing slope. They should be prime.
Perfect sugar to acid ratio, we are ready to bottle.
First pallet is ready. Send it to the loading bay.
Every bottle is fully traceable from today's sunrise.
The automated pruning cuts are healing perfectly. Growth is optimized.
UV levels are stable. Sterilization protocols are fully active.
The bricks level stabilized right after the UV cycle.
Yes, the adjustment to the flow rate was successful. We can proceed with bottling.
The traceability codes are sharp. This batch is ready for departure.
Manifest signed. The shipment is on schedule.
The moisture levels are stabilizing for the night cycle.
Let's see what the aerial data say about today's harvest. This fruit is perfect. The acidity levels should be right on target.
The packaging line is running at peak capacity.
Everything is accounted for. The batch is ready for logistics.
The thermal signatures show perfect moisture retention across the south sector. Flow rate is optimal. The bricks levels from this morning's harvest look exceptional.
Another perfect batch. The journey from the orchard to the bottle is complete.